What's up, guys? It's opening day rifle season here in Missouri. It's around 6:20. It's Saturday, November 16th. Dad, Cameron, and I are scattered out on the farm, trying to cover some ground. Woke up early this morning, pretty much had everything packed and ready to go, and out the door we went. So we're all sitting in different locations on the farm. We're pumped up, gonna sit throughout the day and hopefully have a deer on the ground by lunchtime. If not, then this afternoon. So it's gonna be a good morning. As you can see, it was a full moon throughout the night, so sun coming up in the horizon that way. And yeah, feels like it's gonna be a good morning, so stay tuned. Alright guys, already had a doe and a fawn cross the path at about 100 yards, so hopefully they'll all be moving this morning and maybe get a shot on one, so stay tuned. There is a couple nice bugs running around the area, so who knows? We'll see what happens. So far it's been slow on us. Seen a couple does and fawns, that's about it. However, there's still some shooting going on around us, so I'm gonna sit for a while and can't luck out this morning or this afternoon. We got the next 10 days, so we'll see what happens. Got a little right 8-pointer about halfway down this path, straight down here. Alright guys, just had a shot really close to me. I believe it was Dad. So, I'm gonna give him a call, see if he shot anything. I just got the update. Dad did shoot a buck, so I want to go film the recovery and go see what he shot. So, I'm gonna sneak on down and head that way and meet up with him, and I'm sure Cameron will meet over there as well, so stay tuned.
Broke in the blind. Opening morning. There he is. It's like, and then another one came running out of there with him. Where is he? You might as well sit in the captain's seat.
Which way did he come from?
I just told you he came running out of the trail. I seen 7. Another deer just crossed the trail a minute ago.
What?
Yeah, I didn't get my binoculars up in time.
Alright guys, it's about 11:40. As you know, Dad shot a good sized 10-pointer this morning, which was about 2 hours ago, out of the same exact box stand that I'm in right now. I was hunting the tower stand first thing this morning down the road and heard Dad shoot. Gave him a call and he said he shot a buck, so wanted to get out of the stand slowly and come check him out. And Cameron came down in here as well on the side-by-side. They loaded him up, took him back to the camp, and I decided to stay and sit for about 2 to 3 hours, and sure enough, that's what I did. Haven't seen any movement, no deer, since early this morning, but Cameron and I will be back after it this afternoon. One of us will be hunting in this stand, and one of us will be probably back at the tower where I sat. So, pretty eventful morning, I'd say, and congrats to Dad on pulling the trigger on that 10-pointer. So, finally got a buck on the ground, got some meat in the freezer. So, see you guys this afternoon.